Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project video. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project water pump control for rented houses, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. Let us take a look at how it works. You can develop this interesting project by following the simple steps provided in one of the blogs on electronicsforyou.com. Kindly find the link in the description of this video. This project resolves the issues in the rented houses that share a common pump motor for their water supply. The shared motor often runs on a common main supply, and it is challenging to divide the electricity charges properly among tenants due to variations in water consumption. The circuit offers a solution by allowing the common pump motor to run on the supply specific to each house whenever a tenant switches on the motor for their water needs. The components used to develop this project are one Arduino Nano board over which the code will run, a 12-volt voltage regulator IC7812 to get a regulated power supply of 12 volts, 4 12-volt relays to turn on and off the motor in 4 different houses, a relay driver ICULN 2003 to drive one relay at a time, 4 optocoupler ICSPC817 to sense power supply availability. 4 5mm LEDs are used for status check in 4 different houses. Apart from these, some resistors, capacitors, and 4 glass fuses are used. Let us see the demonstration of this project. This circuit is designed for 4 houses sharing a single motor. Here we have used only one switch for demonstration purposes. You can see the motor is on. On turning off the switch, motor turns off, and LED glows indicating the motor is free for use for other houses. Interested in developing your own water pump control system? Kindly click on the link provided in the description of this video to get a complete circuit diagram and a detailed explanation of the project. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.